Alright, we're going to see how to expand this logarithm. We have log of a times b to the third power over c. Well, because we have the division right here, we can break this apart by using subtraction first. So this right here becomes log of the top, which is a times b to the third power, and then we are going to minus another log, and the inside is exactly just this, the bottom, which is the c. But we're not done yet, because this right here is a times b to the third power. So we can break this apart by using addition. So this becomes log of the first, which is just a, and then we are going to add it with log, and the second thing is b to the third power, and then of course this right here just keep it the same, log of c. But wait, we are not done yet, because right here we have b to the third power, so what can we do? Yes, we can bring the power to the front, so finally we will have what? Just log a, and then plus 3 log b, and then minus log c. That's it. And remember, this log means log base 10, right? So that will do it.